The golden solar lamp. So this is a solar panel which is used for charging the battery of this lamp, and this lamp has two torches, and that is the first one, the major one is one. When you press this key, you have that option. There is a charging slot, and the best part is you have a phone charging slot, so you can get 5 volts out of it. Also, the most satisfying thing about this lamp, let me tell you about the price about this. This is about 130 rupees, that is MRP or the retail price. So the most satisfying thing which I liked about this lamp is, oh, 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 oh. Let me open it for you. Oh my gosh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The bright egg inside it. So let us drag it going and then pull it. So this is the end product. So this looks so beautiful and the golden color matches it. The satisfying moment which looks as beautiful is this. This is a very simple product which uses solar panel and LED lights and a piece of battery which is inside with a beautiful product design.